Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Popeyes gift card is probably one of the most versatile and delicious ways to treat yourself or a loved one to some of that signature Louisiana-style chicken and fixings, offering a convenient and flexible payment method for satisfying those intense cravings for spicy chicken sandwiches, flavorful sides, and decadent desserts, making it an ideal present for any fried chicken aficionado or a smart way to budget your next Popeyes feast. Number 5. Amazon eGift Card. Introducing the Amazon eGift Card, a perfect gift for any occasion. Choose from a variety of designs and denominations to suit your needs. The best part? They never expire and there are absolutely no hidden fees. Your gift's value remains intact, always. It can be redeemed towards millions of items store-wide. Give the gift of choice, allowing them to pick exactly what they want. Need it now? It's available for immediate delivery via email. You can even schedule it up to a year in advance. It's a simple and convenient way to show you care. Please note that these are non-refundable and can only be used on Amazon.com. What we like? This option offers ultimate flexibility with no expiration date and the ability to redeem it for millions of items. If you're looking for a gift that keeps on giving and can be used for almost anything, this is the one. It's perfect for those who appreciate choice and convenience. What people say. It's so quick and so easy. Just need an email address to the person to send it to. No trips to the stores. So versatile to use on everything from food to movies to clothes to tools to electronics and household plus beauty products. The Amazon eGift Card is one of those products that just works exactly the way you need it to. I purchased the digital version and the delivery was almost instant, the email arrived within minutes, and the design options were clean and modern. Number 4. Starbucks $25 gift card. Give the gift of a delicious coffee break. A Starbucks card is always a welcome surprise for any coffee lover. You can use this card at most Starbucks locations. It's a convenient way to enjoy your favorite drinks and treats. It's a wonderful way to show someone you care. Surprise a friend with their favorite Starbucks beverage on you. It's also a smart way to manage your own coffee budget. Use it to prepay for your daily caffeine fix. Please note that this gift card cannot be used for purchases on Amazon. Additionally, all gift card sales are final. What we like? This is the go-to for any coffee enthusiast. It's ideal for treating a friend to their favorite brew or for conveniently prepaying your own daily caffeine fix. If you or someone you know is a regular at this popular coffee chain, this is a perfect fit. What people say. The Starbucks holiday gift card is a perfect treat for anyone who enjoys the cozy, festive spirit of the season paired with their favorite coffee or tea. What makes this gift card special is its seasonal design, which instantly feels joyful and festive. The convenience of being able to reload and use it multiple times adds great value, making it more than just a one-time gift. Number 3. Texas Roadhouse $50 gift card. Give the gift of a legendary dining experience. Imagine hand-cut steaks, fall-off-the-bone ribs, and our famous fresh-baked bread. Our gift cards are the perfect present for anyone on your list. They're sure to delight every recipient. Enjoy our delicious food at over 650 locations across the U.S. and Puerto Rico. Find a Texas Roadhouse near you. Use it for a fun night out with friends and family, or for convenient online and to-go orders. It's your choice. Experience our famous fresh-baked bread and legendary margaritas. It's a true taste of Texas hospitality. We make all our delicious sides from scratch and bake our bread fresh every single day. You can taste the difference. In 2024, we were honored with the Brand Icon Award for our spirit of innovation and commitment to our heritage. Come see why. What we like? Experience a true taste of American dining with hand-cut steaks and fresh-baked bread. This is perfect for celebrating special occasions or simply enjoying a fun night out with delicious, made-from-scratch food. If you're craving hearty, classic American comfort food and a welcoming atmosphere, this is your pick. What people say. The gift card is simple to redeem and can be used for dine-in meals, making it a convenient and flexible gift. Generous portions make the gift card go further. Easy to use and redeem for dine-in meals. Number 2. Domino's Pizza eGift Card. Introducing the Domino's Pizza eGift Card, your ticket to deliciousness delivered digitally. It's the perfect way to treat yourself or someone special. Using your card is simple. Just present the certificate or provide the 19-digit card number and 4-digit PIN when ordering. You can redeem it easily over the phone, online, or even in-store at participating locations. Enjoy your favorite pizzas hassle-free. Please note that gift cards are non-returnable and non-refundable. This ensures a smooth transaction process for all our customers. This card is valid for purchases only at participating Domino's Pizza stores across the United States. Enjoy your pizza wherever you are in the U.S. Keep in mind that this card cannot be used to purchase another Domino's gift card. It's meant for enjoying our delicious pizzas directly. What we like. Satisfy your pizza cravings with ease. This is ideal for quick and convenient meal solutions, especially for online or phone orders. If you're looking for a straightforward way to enjoy a popular pizza chain's offerings, this is a solid choice for your next pizza night. What people say. Works great. I send these instead of cash and they are always delivered fast and securely. Gift card delivery super quickly worked great. Domino's Pizza gift card seemed quick and easy to purchase and my friend in Texas loved it. It only took about 5 to 7 minutes in total for him to receive it. Number 1. Wendy's $20 gift card. Get a $20 gift card for Wendy's. It's the perfect way to treat yourself or someone special to a delicious meal. Use this card to purchase your favorite food and drinks at any participating Wendy's location. Enjoy a wide variety of tasty options. Using your gift card is easy. Just present it at the counter when you order. It's a hassle-free way to pay. By purchasing or using this card, you agree to Wendy's terms of use. Please review them for important details regarding your gift card. Please note that all gift card sales are final. There are no returns or refunds available for this item. What we like. Grab a quick and satisfying meal on the go. This is perfect for when you need a fast and familiar food option. If you're a fan of this iconic fast food chain and need a convenient way to pay for your favorite burgers and fries, this card is a great option. What people say. Wendy's is a go-to for quick, tasty food, and this card lets whoever you give it to choose exactly what they want, whether that's a classic Baconator, a Frosty, fries, or something lighter. The card itself is simple and usable right away. It doesn't require anything complicated, just swipe it at the register, and you're good to go. The Wendy's gift card can be used at any participating Wendy's restaurant, giving you the freedom to choose from a wide selection of menu items, including their famous burgers, chicken sandwiches, salads, and frosty desserts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.